I got my foot stuck in there.
Uh-oh.
I'm alright.
I'll come up here.
Good old breakneck. Never gets old.